Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Upgrading your phone? Freeing up space? Or simply want an extra layer of security? Backing up your iPhone photos to your computer is a smart move. In this video, I'll show you the best and most reliable method to back up your iPhone photos on Windows. Let's go. If you're looking for the easiest and safest way to transfer data from your iPhone to a Windows PC, I recommend a professional all-in-one tool. This program not only ensures a quick and secure backup and restore process, but also gives you the flexibility to select specific files to back up, rather than having to save the entire device at once. This is especially useful if you have a lot of photos and videos, as it allows you to easily free up space on your iPhone while creating a reliable backup on your PC. You can get it all by clicking the link I've provided in the description box below and downloading the tool. Make sure to check the text specifications. To transfer files from your phone to the computer or vice versa, launch the tool first on your PC. Then choose Phone to PC or PC to Phone on the main screen. And click the Next button to move on. Select here the category you want to copy from your source to your target. You can also specify where to store the transferred items in advance. Otherwise, they will be placed on the desktop by default. Afterward, click the Transfer button to start copying the files to your computer or mobile. Depending on the size of the files, this process may take a few seconds or a while. Wait for the transfer process to finish. Once it is complete, go to the selected folder to check the items. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.